Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. I just got done putting together my new computer desk. And guys, I just wanted you to see this. Excuse my office, but anyway, um, this is a nice wood grain finish here. Uh, Guys, I tell you what, this is going to be a nice addition to my UGC supplies there, making videos for you guys, having a nice background. I tell you what, I think I am going to enjoy this desk pretty much. Let you see some of the legs here. Yeah, this is really, really nice, guys. I really like this. I tell you what, this is going to be a great addition to my arsenal for making user-generated videos, for making nice videos for you guys with a nice background. But guys, this is my new table. Just wanted you to have a look at it. Anyway, you guys make it a great day.